Are you ready to shake up the way you sell? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about 5 best AI tools for sales reps. These tools are making a big impact in the sales world. So, settle in and let's explore what makes them so special. Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about the incredible power of artificial intelligence in the field of sales development. AI is transforming how we approach prospecting, lead generation, and nurturing potential customers. Gone are the days of manual data analysis and hours spent sorting through spreadsheets. With AI, we can now focus on what really matters: building relationship and closing deals. Let's talk about AnyBiz.io, a cool AI tool for sales. It's a super user-friendly and works great with CRMs you already use. What's awesome about it? Well, it sends personalized messages to your potential customers, not just with their names, but based on what they are into. It creates special sales sequences for each person, which is like having a super smart sales plan for everyone. Plus, it has a huge list of over 80 million prospects, so you don't have to spend hours looking for leads. The best part? It keeps getting smarter by itself, analyzing loads of data to find the best leads for you. It's like having a virtual sales buddy that's great at emails and setting up important meetings. And you know what? You don't have to worry about the cost right away. We will work it out with you. Humantic.ai, a super cool tool for sales teams. It's like having a helper that understands people's personalities. It comes at the Chrome extension and uses a bunch of smart tag to give you insights about your customers. You can see lots of buyer profiles at once, and it even connects with Salesforce and Outreach to show you important things about your buyers. Plus, it syncs with your calendar for meetings. Prices start at $16 a month for individuals, with custom plans for businesses too. Tact.ai, a handy tool for those in sales. It's all about making your job easier and boosting how you connect with customers. First off, it keeps you updated with alerts for meetings and events. Then, you can directly enter and update customer info, manage calls, and keep track of everything. It also gives you helpful tips for calls and tracks your sales progress. And guess what? It works well with popular CRM systems and MS Teams. For pricing, you will need to ask them. Next up is SalesDirector.ai, a tool that brings AI smarts to your sales strategy. It tracks trends and activities, catching all your sales emails and calendar stuff to suggest what to do next. It's big on deep analysis, using machine learning to understand customer feelings and automate your workflow. Plus, it works with BI tools for better conversion insights. For forecasting, it gives you real-time, precise data, and it's great for pipeline management, with a risk matter and AI to guide your customer relationships. Pricing? It starts at $29 per user per month. And let's check out Exceed.ai, a cool AI tool that helps with lead management. It's like having a smart chatbot that talks to your leads, figures out who is interested, and even gathers important information for you. It's great for keeping leads interested with automated messages and content. Plus, it schedules meetings with potential customers and reschedules if they missed one. It also connects smoothly with your CRM systems. The subscription starts at $1,950 per month. These AI tools are vital for sales success in a digital age. They are about smarter selling, efficient task management, and understanding customer preferences. Integrating these tools can lead to improved sales figures and customer relationships. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more content on sales strategies and AI technology. And share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time!